Rule number 5 is behavior at infinity. The root locus approach straight lines as asymptotes as the locus approach infinity. The asymptote sigma A and theta A can be obtained from below equation, where sigma A is equal to the summation of finite poles, okay, the value of the poles, minus the summation of finite zeros, the value of the zeros, divided by the number of finite poles, in this case 2, minus the finite of zeros, in this case also 2. While the equation for theta A is equal to odd multiplication of 180, where 2k plus 1 multiplied with pi or 180 degree divided by the number of finite poles minus the number of finite zeros. Okay, for example, this is the calculation for this example, for this pole and zero map. So this is the value, the summation of finite poles minus the summation of finite zero, so this is your zero, divided by the number of finite poles 2 minus the number of finite zeros is also equal to 2. So the answer is infinity for this example. And for theta A, for 2k plus 1 multiply with 180 divided by the number of poles minus the number of zeros. In this case, you can use k equal to 0, 1 and 2. That's enough. But for this case, both sigma A and theta A is equal to infinity. So this is the behavior at infinity. Okay, this is an example. You have this open loop transfer function. In this case, we can calculate sigma A, which is the summation of finite poles. In this case, we have 4 poles. Okay, 4 poles. Poles at 0, -1, -2, and also -4. Minus the summation of finite zeros, in this case -3, divided by the number of poles 4 minus the number of 0, 1. So the sigma A is equal to -4 over 3, which is at this point, equal to -133. The next one, we calculate the asymptote angle, which is using this formula 2k plus 1 multiplied with pi or 180 divided by the number of poles minus the number of zeros. Okay, so k you can use 0, 1 and 2, that's enough. For k equal to 0, the theta, the angle is pi over 3 or 60 degree. So this is for k equal to 0. K equal to 1, the angle is 180 degree from this point to this point. And also for k equal to 2, the angle is 300 degree, this point. So asymptote is actually your boundary for your root locus, so that your root locus did not goes beyond this asymptote. Okay, it should be this way. Okay, so this asymptote line should follow the angle of the asymptote 60, 180 and also 300 degree.